Hello. Yeah, okay, fine. So now we'll continue the next session. So today we'll discuss about the browser architecture, right? So everybody we are using the browser architecture, how the browser architecture it should be. So we'll try to discuss on it. Okay. Heading is browser architecture. Basically, what will happen? I would say internally the process will try to understand. For example, if you take any file, like for example if you take any content, that content should be in the form of in the tags, right? For example, here I am taking some a bold tag, and then here I am passing some text here, hello. Okay, then what will happen internally? Okay, so this whatever the content we are passing, this content directly cannot understand by the any browser. What will happen internally? Okay, first it will convert into the bytes. It will convert into the bytes. Bytes meaning binary language. So binary language which is in the format of uh, double one double zero. So which is in the format of like this. Okay, which is in the format of like this. So this is binary language. This is binary language. Okay, fine. This is the binary language. Okay, fine. Then what will happen? So after initially, this is the content which is in the English format, like whatever the content we are writing. So this is the English language, right? So any language cannot directly understand by the any browser. Then what will happen generally? We need to like initially we'll convert into the binary language, meaning binary language, and then it will convert it into the characters. How the characters will be converted, I will show you generally. Characters basically. So here, if you observe here, so B hello will be have right like. So it will be converted like this B, and then hello. Okay, and then it should be like this. If you see here, this is the group of characters, right? So initially it will convert into the bytes code, and then it will be converted into the characters. So group of characters is only the content, right? So it will convert into the characters. And then after that, what will happen? Basically, so here these characters will be converted into the tokens. Tokens meaning any every part, a small part of the any program is called token, right? So here I am simply writing hello, and then I am closing the bracket. Okay, I am closing the bracket. Okay, so here I am saying this is the token. Every part of the program is called token. So this is the one token, this is the one token, this is the one token. So this is the token, this is the token, and this is the token, right? And then every small part of content is called token, right? And this one I am called as a tag also. Tag also. Okay. Okay. So basically, tokens meaning we can say which is the we can call also element. Okay, element. Element basically element is also called as node. Why you are calling the node basically? If you observe here, this is the B. You are mentioning B, right? B meaning bold. Okay, B meaning bold. What does it mean by bold? Bold is the node name. 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 So that's why we are calling as the node. Okay, are you guys clear with my point? And when we are using the node meaning, so which is the combination of hierarchy. So how the combination it will be, generally how the combination it will be. So you can remember blindly, it is the part of hierarchy. When you are seeing the node, so it is the part of hierarchy. Okay, it is the part of hierarchy. Okay, fine. So part hierarchy meaning there we should have the, I would say there we have the parent, and this parent is having the child relationships, right? Child one, okay, child one, child two, child two, like this. Okay. So after this is the combination of this thing. Then what will happen in generally? In generally, so it will be translated to, which will be translated to layout, which will be translated to layout. Okay, this will be translated to layout, and then finally we have the render. Rendering meaning preparing the final output. So it will render the data. Rendering meaning preparing the final output. Okay, rendering meaning preparing final output. Final output. Okay, so after final output, it will be converted into the painting. It will be converted into the painting. Okay, it will be converted into the painting, and then so finally we will display the result as hello. Hello. So this is the first stage, and finally, before converting before going to the final output, so this is the process which will happens internally. The entire process is called browser architecture. The entire process is called architecture. It will be initially it will be converted to the binary language, and then it will converted to the all characters, and everything you can say tokens, and then this tokens is called element is also called node meaning node name. So based on that node meaning, it is a part of a hierarchy, and then it will be will mention in the layout, and then it will be converted into the render, and finally we'll get the painting, and finally we'll get the result. This is the final output, right? So this entire thing is called the entire thing is called browser architecture. The entire thing is called browser architecture. Okay, got it. So if you have any queries, you can ping me. I can help you. Thank you.